Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we show you a progress summary of our Casa La 1 bin. Let's go ahead and open a box. For the first step, you require 2-part E's, 4-part 2. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For the next step, you require part E, part A, 2-part D's, 4-part 1s, and an Allen key that's included in the box. Let's assemble now. For the next step, you require 1-part E, 4-part 1s of screws, and an Allen key. Let's assemble now. The next step, you require part B and part C. Let's go assemble now. Our next step, we will be fitting our laundry bin into our main assembly. For the last step, it's installing our anti-tipping. Please refer to our manual how to install. Thank you. Thank you for watching the progress summary for our Casa La 1 bin. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product assemblies, more of our products. Thank you.